Hi, my name is Dewey Thompson. I'm the creative director at Pickerel Pie, where we help our clients tell their stories through video. We've been really lucky to ride this digital transformation of communication that has made video for better.
Individual awareness of privacy and data ownership is growing fast.
And worse. The prime medium for communication everywhere and for almost everything. We talk about how this has made us video literate, but it's one thing to watch videos and another thing to make them effectively. That's because there's an underlying vocabulary and grammar that creates and organizes meaning in the video content we watch. In film school, this language is often illustrated with fantastic scenes from movies like Citizen Kane.
Too old to call me Mr. Thatcher, Charles.
You're too old to be called anything else.
Or Goodfellas. But the same vocabulary and rules of film grammar also apply to corporate videos, with some elements that are unique to business communication, like B-roll of people drawing on windows, which other than Picasso, has probably never occurred in real life. The setting, composition, focal length, color, texture, and movement of every shot carries meaning even in a corporate video. What does it mean to be filmed in a conference room? How is that different from a selfie video in a cab? What are you saying when you cut between a wide shot of a meeting and a close-up of an executive at the meeting? How does perception change when the interview subject speaks to someone beside the camera versus talking directly into the lens? In this series, I'm going to talk about what we at Pickerel Pie think are the most important elements of film language and production techniques as they apply to making effective corporate videos. We know companies are investing a lot of money and resources into video, and you make better videos when you speak the language.